Your outpost on Ratu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Nomini shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pontam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits.
How many's here? 2. Follow them along the wall. My 5, you're along the wall.
Right here?
The wall. And then you 2 are along the wall with them.
Yeah, you're behind them. We are here at Rise of Resistance where we'll be interrogating.
Any color. It is either red, blue, orange, or silver. So take a look now and memorize it. You will. That color is quite
Buzzsaw
vital
says
to
Disney
your
Star Wars
as it
Watch.
matches
Thank you
the
for
color
being
you
here,
will go
Buzzsaw.
to in your cell. Any bags that you have at this time, anything on your back, waist, or shoulder, remove it now and hold it in your hands. Anything on your head, take it off. All other loose items, stow away. Got it? Good. Blue, cell, go find your color. Blue, move along. Red, follow.
Move along.
Both of your colors are on the right.
Thanks.
Where's your color? Silver, your next. Color on the left. Orange will now follow. Your colors also.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Go ahead and take off your hat for me, okay? Just makes you a bigger target, you know? Thanks for that. Spill all that to your feet, security. These cargo like right now.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Hey, how you doing?
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. It's blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship! I repeat, abandon ship! This destroyer is about!
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Was handling it. Alright, never mind. It's okay. I got the override code here. Somewhere. Sorry? Oh, right. Just let me get that code. Okay. Just escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. Okay, your door's stuck. Why is that always a thing? There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's pod people. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? Got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
Should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
Sir, this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on 2 pods descending.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in hot over Sector 5.
We got first order patrols on the ridge, Bravo.
I see him. We're keeping to the tree.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.